How to build a list with Instagram. I've been growing Instagram accounts for a while now, basically buying and selling them. I've had quite a few big accounts and I've been doing affiliate marketing with it, but as soon as I realised I could grow an email list with my Instagram accounts, it's changed massively. So instead of just affiliate marketing, I send them to my email list and then I can market to them on an email sequence or anything like that, and the results have been life-changing. So I thought I'd share with you guys today some of the tips how to build your email list with Instagram. So you want to get people from Instagram to your email list. You can do this by optimizing your bio. Make sure you have a decent description in your bio, but at the very start of the bio, put check out my link below, or check out the link with a little arrow or something pointing down. You want to put it at the start as well, because if you put it halfway through or near the bottom, it won't come up unless they press show more. So you need to put some sort of incentive to get them to click on your link at the very start. A lot of people give away a free ebook or give away some sort of freebie. That works amazingly, but I haven't been doing it. All I do is just pointing to the link, and that's been working out very well. So the second tip I'm going to give is Instagram stories. So if you're over 10,000 followers, you can put a link, a swipe up link in your story. And using this will grow your Instagram account more than anything else. This gets the most clicks out of all of it. So all you do is put the link, you put a tag and a location to get extra views on your story, what you're going to post, and put join my email list below for more information, or get a free ebook or whatever you're giving away. Just point them to your email list. And then from that link, you want to go to a landing page, and then the landing page that can do the opt-in for your email list. But this is the best way to grow your email list, is through Instagram stories. And a third tip, which not many people do, on every post you want to create a call to action as well. So if you put on your post, check out the link in my description, join my email list in the description, do that with every single post, maybe halfway through or near the start, and you get a hell of a lot more subscribers. A lot of people, when they post on Instagram, don't have any call to actions, and you're missing out on a hell of a lot of clicks by doing that. With your link clicks as well, you want to change the link to a short link. This will make it a lot easier for someone to click on. With stories, it doesn't matter too much because you can't see it, but the link in your bio, you want it as short as possible. So if you go to bit.ly, you can shorten your links for free. And then with this as well, you can track every time someone's clicked that link with bit.ly. So it helps you keep track of the progress and if people are clicking or not. And you can always change it up to see which works best. So you want to use bit.ly to shorten the links of all the links will go to your email list. After they click your link, you want to bring them to a landing page. You can do this with your email software. So I use Market Hero. So you can create landing pages designed for your Instagram account. So when they click through that link, it'll bring them to a landing page, and then they'll go into your email list, which then goes to email sequence. So you can keep it all automated and all up to date as well, just through one simple software. You can also use ClickFunnels, which I also use, but the software is a bit more expensive. But I'll try and do a video on both of these platforms and see what you think is best. Cool guys, so that's pretty much my quick tips how to build your email list through Instagram. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. See ya.